For this episode, we are going to unbox this iPhone 16 Pro Max 1 terabyte. Okay, as you can see, the box is still sealed. I just covered the personal details. Today is October 25, 2024. Okay, so this is the item. We are going to open it. So iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the box. Okay. So this is the iPhone. Nice. Okay. We have the cable. And that's it. Okay. Buttons. And this one. Okay. So we're going to swipe up the phone. So swipe up to open. Okay. So in my case, I will click English. So this one. Select your country or region. Currently, I am in the US. So United States. So click this one. Okay. Appearance, default, continue. So just click set up without another device and choose the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so it may take a few minutes to activate your phone, so we'll just have to wait. Software update. So software update is available for this phone. So update now. Okay, so read this one, then agree. Okay, so we'll just swipe up. Appearance, continue. Set up without another device. Daytime privacy, continue. Set up iPhone, set up for myself. Set up later. So for your apps and data. Don't transfer anything. Sign in your Apple account. Okay, so just click this one. But if you have an account, just type in your details. So set up later. Don't use. Update your phone automatically. Continue. iMessage, not now. Location services, set up later. Okay. Then just type in your phone number. So again, this is iPhone 16 Pro Max